Hello guys, interfacing with our regional director.
Our former regional director connected chief logistics
All provincial pharmacial details of regional director, chief superintendent Romel
and for me, hindi naman i-transfer kasi we have PIDC project 100% completed where we have Hidalgo, that's PIDC. We have Clauderia, that's PIDC. And as a matter of fact, we have the PIDC project which is less than 70% that today already occupied. Preparing to get the transfer of the old fire station to the personnel of the remains personnel of the new PIDC fire station.
Anong maintenance percent pa lang?
I think siguro sa dito naman si Atty. Baka may opinion ka. Attorney in charge.
Anyway, kasi ang contractor, yung occupy, ang kakasama sa yung contractor. Pag pilit siya mabayaran, yung contractor sila away, hindi tayo. Kasi property naman natin yung tayo ng building. Related sa Bureau of Fire yun. So,